Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video, we are going to discuss the concept of classes and file operations. In this video, what we are going to discuss is after creating a class, how can we write the particular object into a file? So let's say I'm writing a class A and the class contains character name and let's say int roll number, that's it, right? So in public section, I am declaring a function, let's say void take, that takes the values of name as well as a roll number, right? So this class is completed. Obviously, we have to create the object of class, but how we are going to write that object into a file? So a very, very simple way is that firstly create an object of the class A obj, and we have to write that object into a file. What we will do is we will write offstream, let's say obj1 obj1 dot open, and I'm going to create a binary file named bin, right, dot dat. I'm writing iOS scope resolution open, right? iOS scope resolution binary, sorry, right? So we are opening a binary file and we have to write this object into a file. So how this object can be written into a file? Very, very simple way. We are putting a binary file operation. So binary file operations works in this particular way. Object one of offstream class, I'm writing write, and the same syntax. So earlier I was writing a name, roll number. Now I will write obj. So again, character start, character typecasting, address of obj, again size of obj. So that's how you write a particular classes object into a file, and it will write into a file named bin, and then you can open, close the file. You can read using read operation in a similar manner. Read operation was used for normal data members or normal data types. We are going to do it in a similar way with classes. So to implement this, I will show you one example where I have taken a particular class and then I have basically displayed that particular thing. Just see in a particular example, if I want to show that. Firstly, I have created a class hello. I have taken name, roll number one, float marks. I have taken a function obj uh, void take. Obviously, you have to call this function. So I did not call it in the previous example I've shown you. I will write that. Created an object obj2 of hello class that I created obj dot take. I will take the values of name, roll number, and marks. Created an object of string obj dot open. File name is final.dat. I'm opening it in binary and truncate mode. I'm going to write obj.write. Which one? obj2. So I've written obj2. Size of obj2 is passed and obj dot close. So let me take you to a particular screen. Over here, I am going to call a function obj.take also, so that all values of name and roll numbers are taken. That's how classes and file operation works. That's how your read operation will work. Instead of write, I will use read. Instead of off stream, I have to use if stream. I will get the particular result. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe. I will also put this program in the description box. Kindly support us in our initiative. Thank you very, very much.